Hey guys, so I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone faster, so let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is turn on reduce motion. Go to settings and then click on accessibility if you're on iOS 13, but if you're on iOS 12, just click on general and then accessibility. Now just look for reduce motion. It should be near the top. And then make sure reduce motion is on. If it's off, it'll have some animation like this, and it might look cool, but I prefer like the fade animation. So just turn it on, and it will look something like this. It fades out whenever you go to the home screen, enter any app, or go to your app switcher. The second thing we're going to do is reduce transparency. Now it's back in accessibility, just make sure it's on. Before, if it was off, it would have like a blurred background whenever you check your control center and other things like that. And it may look cool, but if you want your phone to be faster, just turn it on and then it'll be grayed out. The next thing we're going to do is turn off background app refresh. Mine is grayed out because low power mode is on for me, but I actually have all of it off. So if you want some apps like running in the background a little bit, then just have some of them on, but I just keep all of them off if you want your phone to be even faster. Number 4 is a short one, and it's just turning off low power mode. If low power mode is on, your phone will be a little slower because it's trying to conserve battery life, but if you want your phone to be faster, just make sure it's off. And last but not least, number 5 is updating your software. If you don't update your software is out of date and it might not be as fast as you want it to be. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please leave a like and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss another video.